All right, let's take a minute to thank DR Horton Homes for having us out here to look at their awesome properties. We're right now at the Lincoln. It's approximately 2,554 square feet, and this one is a 5-bed, 3.5 bath, and again, you can have an option of a 2 to 3 car garage. So come along with me. Nice big trim leading you into this space. And one cool thing about this house that we're gonna find is that it has a built-in ADU when you buy this property, mother-in-law suite. Those who aren't familiar with California law, the beginning of this year, they decided to make it to where any single family property could have an ADU legally built on it or added onto it in some way converted if that was possible. So now it's nice to see developers jumping on that trend, and you can either help out a family member, give a teenager their own space, or make a little extra income by having an additional separate space in your space. So coming into this nice bedroom area with the closet, warm carpet to make the space feel very homey. We have our same tile plank floors. We have our shower insert, vanity. This vanity's white instead of black like we saw in the other house. We have real wood, big mirror, nice light fixture. Again, automatic light. We have a bigger than a slide closet over here. It's nice how this space actually has 2 closets. Due to this being an additional little space of its own, you're gonna need more storage. So this is a nice storage space where you can put whatever you need. Boxes, extra clothes. This ADU is also gonna have its own entrance to the house, which is very nice. You don't have to add that in later. It already comes with the home. And we have our nice little kitchenette over here. We have our sink, stainless steel, black handles, nice cabinetry. We have a room for pretty much a full-size fridge, I believe, over here. This looks full-size to me, which is awesome because most ADUs can't afford to have that space. You could have something like a toaster oven or some kind of countertop cooker, and you'd be ready to go. Over here, I like how they staged a little dining area with some bar stool height table and stools. We even got room for a little sitting area over here with a love seat and a TV across the way. What more do you need? All right, let's continue on to the main space. So it's nice how this space was in the front of the house and it's off to itself. We have a nice big entryway. Right here, they have a plant here, but I can picture putting some kind of bench storage area for shoes where you can sit down and put on your shoes and keep them into this tile area to keep your house nice and clean before we come onto this nice, warm, expansive carpet area that you are about to see. We have a coat closet over here, and then we come into this expansive living, dining, kitchen area, which just really brings you into the home. I like how it's a little like entryway, and then you just round the corner and it just explodes into this very big space with a lot of light from the doors and from the windows. They have it staged right here as the living room, which I think is very fitting for this space. We have room for a couch and a love seat, TV area over there. Right here in the middle of the area, I like how the table's right here. So you are in the middle of everything going on, whether there's people watching TV or in the kitchen cooking, you're right here. I like again how the patio comes right off the dining area, bringing in natural light, as well as you could set up a little dining area outside to make an indoor-outdoor feel. We have another big expansive island in the kitchen. This is white. We got our plugs for our phones or laptops. Again, all beautiful, nice wood cabinetry, like the island lights hanging over. We have our pantry. Got the big, oversized farm sink, stainless steel, beautiful. Got the well-sized cabinets that aren't too high, so they're out of reach. Again, it's nice that you can put a little decoration up there if you want, but as far as functionality, you can reach the cabinets without going and getting a ladder. And we have the same Whirlpool smart stove. We got the fan, the hood, the microwave. We have a fridge over here. And then we come across the half bath, which is really nice to have a half bath on your first floor where guests can use without having to go into any of the bedroom bathrooms. We have a nice pedestal sink over here to our right, big mirror, toilet, just a simple half bath, which nice size. We have our smart panel right here, which would lead into the garage of your place. I like how this floor plan's designed. The garage would come right into the kitchen. So when you come home with groceries, you don't have to trek across the whole home. And something else I like about this floor plan is how the stairs come into the center of the downstairs living area. Again, you're in the middle of everything. You're not off to one side. So let's go ahead and come up the stairs. Carpeted stairs makes a cozy feel to the place. We come up the stairs and we enter in this massive landing area, which is really cool to see because this isn't in every home. Nice little windows looking out the front of the property to bring in light. This could basically be an upstairs living area, a den. This is staged as a playroom. I think it's very fitting for that use, especially if it's a family home. Built-in speakers throughout the property, even upstairs in this landing. Can lights throughout. I always liked landings and banisters that can overlook the stairway. It's a nice architectural feature. We come down the hall. We're gonna go ahead and skip this room to the right over here. We'll come back to that. That's the master. We'll first start with our galley bathroom, you would call it, because it's not really a Jack and Jill because it doesn't connect bedrooms, but it's more like a walkthrough. We have our dual vanity sinks, all wood cabinetry, big mirror. We have our plank tile floors that look like wood that are beautiful. We have our bath shower insert on this one, which is nice. So if you want to take a bath, you can, as well as a shower. We have the toilet in there as well. We have a nice linen closet over here. Actually quite expansive. I can walk fully in here to store all your linens and vacuum or whatever you need. I love upstairs laundry rooms. So up here we have a washer and a dryer. Big space, again, enough space to even have a little folding table of some sort if you would want, or a stackable washer and dryer. Gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to stage your laundry room due to its size. I like it being upstairs again because that's where all your dirty laundry usually is. Right now we have this adorable staged little baby room, and this is going to be our first bedroom that we saw on this floor. And I know you probably are thinking, wait, we already saw so much space because the halls and the landings are so big. We haven't even seen any of the bedrooms yet. So this first bedroom we're in overlooks the front of the property with a nice big window, has a walk-in closet, nice little crib. Tall ceilings on the second floor. Coming out of the staged baby room, we have bedroom number 2. This one's staged as a boys' room. It has a big closet, got some slide doors, overlooks the front of the property, can fit a bed, can fit a dresser, can fit whatever else. They have a little chair over there. Coming into bedroom number 3. You're counting right. There's a lot of bedrooms up here on this floor. This is a good sized house. And again, we have a nice sized closet with sliding doors. We have a nice window bringing in the natural light. We have enough room in this bedroom for a little desk, a little dresser, whatever else you would need besides just the kids' bed, which is always nice because a lot of bedrooms will just be big enough for just a bed. And in this case, especially if it's a kid's room, you have more room. All right, and then we're going to come to the bedroom that we first passed, and this is the master off to my left over here. You have 2 big windows on either side of this large California king bed. And again, plenty of room for a little sitting area, a dresser. Again, the nice tall ceilings. I like the curtain rods they chose on here, which is just the bar with the drapes going the full length of the wall. Here is your master bath. Dual vanity sinks, large mirror, nice steel black fixtures that are very modern. Nice sinks that are modern. We got all the wood, modern handles that are metal as well. We have our large walk-in shower inserts with all black shower head, even a little seat. You can sit down. That shower is that big. And then we have our closet. It's nice. This closet is carpeted, so you're in here getting dressed. It's a cozy feel. It's not as cold as the tile look. And while this one isn't as big as the walk-in closet on the other house we looked at, the Coolidge, it's still a large walk-in closet. You have plenty of room for cabinetry and customizing it any way you want. With beautiful parks for your kids to play and a gated community so your family is safe. Right off Highway 99 and in the wonderful town of Atwater in the Central Valley, right across the street from Applegate Shopping Center for all your shopping and your food needs. This is centrally located and a great place to live. I'm Matt Padlow. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions about Ball Crossing, this awesome new development in Atwater, or you have any questions about the house, comment below. I will answer them. If you enjoy this content, please consider a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button down below. It's greatly appreciated. I would like to thank Amber at DR Horton for helping set this all up and allowing us to come out and tour their beautiful developments. I would also like to thank the community sales managers, Mary Bell Puenta and Malia Azevedo, who will help you with any sales questions that you have if you are interested in purchasing this home.